Islam leader Louis Farrakhan took the bullhorn. Farrakhan once claimed powerful Jews were his enemy. This man's words were just as shocking.
What is the fake Jews that call themselves Jews, the ADL or the JDF?
After that question, he set his sights on D.C. Councilwoman Elisa Silverman. She released a statement last week saying Farrakhan's anti-Semitic rhetoric should not be tolerated.
I'm going to organize marches on against, or matter of fact, protest against Elisa Silverman. This is Farrakhan's work. You got your nerve to say Farrakhan can't come back to D.C. What nerve are you fake Jew?
White's connection to the Nation of Islam has been heavily scrutinized. Just last week, we learned he made a $500 donation to the group in January.
The reality is that these brothers are on the front line fighting for some of the same causes I fight for.
But White did not attend this rally, and this man speaking wasn't part of the plan. The organizer tried to pull him away.
You know, I can't speak on their behalf, but, you know, we all came here today in the spirit of solidarity and peace.
Now, other speakers at the rally condemned the words of that Farrakhan supporter, Leslie.
All right, so John, did either Councilmember White or Silverman have anything to say about this?
I reached out to both of their offices, but we did not get a response.
All right, the saga continues. Thank you. The chief has a yellow weather alert posted for the morning, so Top, grab that umbrella, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We'll start with the bus stop forecast, and really it's going to be kind of probably the worst time of the day during the bus stop forecast between, say, 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock in the morning. Some heavy rain possible. The good news, it's going to be mild with temperatures in the 50s. The bad news, it's going to be pretty darn wet for the entire morning bus ride. You know what? On this date, starting on Saturday, 16 years ago, was the La Plata tornado. We were on the air live covering it. We interrupted 60 minutes. It was the strongest tornado on record in the state of Maryland. Winds over 200 miles per hour. At one time, it was rated an EF5. Now, it's been downgraded to an EF4. And actually, we're looking at some of the video now. Just a tremendous storm. It was on the ground for 68 miles, moving essentially across the entire part of south central Charles County. $100 million in damage. Now, the question is, what kind of conditions do you need to form a tornado? Okay, what do we need? You need wind shear. Wind shear is a change of direction of wind or speed over a relatively short distance in the horizontal or the vertical. So let's say we have a surface wind here from the southeast. Now we couple that with a wind above, maybe 3,000 feet, from a different direction and quite possibly even a stronger velocity. What does that do? A little bit of rotation. Imagine if someone came up and pushed you here and then pushed you from behind, you'd tend to rotate. Well, now we get some rotation, but for the time being, it's horizontal. Then we get a big updraft in the thunderstorm. Aha, now it's vertical, and now it's possible for this thunderstorm to drop down a tornado. Now, in terms of damage, the good news is they're relatively small, especially here in the east. The bad news is, though, any debris that's around the tornado can become deadly projectiles. It can be driven at 100, 150 miles per hour. So that's why we say get away from windows if you can. Also, get in the basement. If you don't have a basement, then you need to get into an interior room because that will keep you safe. They don't last long. You don't have much time. So remember, if we say there is a tornado watch, that means conditions are favorable for these thunderstorms to produce a couple of tornadoes. But if we come on the air or we send you an alert on the phone and we say there's a tornado warning, you have to take cover immediately. Seconds count. Again, away from windows, interior room, or better yet, a basement. Hard to believe. This Saturday marks 16 years since La Plata. Leslie.
Still remember that day, Top. All right, right now, 3 things you need to know before you call it a night. Ever sent a sample off to get your DNA profile? Well, get this. Police say the data stored by those DNA companies helped them track down the suspected Golden State Killer. Prosecutors believe Joseph James DeAngelo killed at least 12 and raped at least 50 people in the 1970s and 80s. Second, a handshake that made history tonight. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un and South Korean President Moon Jae-in shook hands to start their summit meeting. Kim Jong-un is the first North Korean leader to set foot in South Korea since the Korean ceasefire in 1953. And police want your help to find this man, Ruel Dempster II. Detectives say he killed his wife after a fight. Then he grabbed a few things and took off. If you've seen him, call Montgomery County Police.